Hey, DC here. Today's home tip, if you haven't implemented this already, is to use a squeegee after you're using the shower. A few years back, we moved into our new home and we had a glass shower, and my cleaners came by, and we have them come every once every couple of weeks, and they said, you know what, you really need a squeegee in the shower. I'm like, well, why? Well, they're like, well, it's an ineffective way to cut down on the soap scum and all of the messiness that it has in the bathroom, and it even cuts down on their cleaning time. So if you want more of a pristine look, it's better after every shower to take 20-30 seconds and just squeegee your glass. And I'll be honest with you, it's made a huge difference. Sure, you had to change some of your habits after you turn off the shower and pull the squeegee out again. It takes like 20-30 seconds, but the end result is that your shower looks so much better. And yeah, if you are cleaning yourself, it does help cut down on the amount of time you have to spend cleaning the shower. So yeah, it makes it look better. It only takes a couple seconds of your time, and it's pretty inexpensive.